In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check who viewed one of your LinkedIn posts or articles. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type LinkedIn into the search bar, then click the official linkedin.com result to go to the site. If you're asked to sign in, do that now so you can access your profile and analytics. Once you're on the LinkedIn home feed, look to the top navigation bar and click the Me icon, the one with your profile photo. From the drop-down menu, choose View Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where all your recent activity is organized. Scroll until you find the Activity section. Here you'll see a snapshot of your latest posts and articles. Click Show All Posts to open the full list. This view makes it easier to locate the specific post or article you want to analyze. Find the post you're curious about and click View Analytics. You'll be taken to the Analytics dashboard for that individual post. If you're checking an article, the process is the same. Open it from your activity, then select View Analytics on the article card. On the Analytics page, look for the area labeled Profile Activity. This is where LinkedIn connects engagement with your post to actions people took on your profile. You'll see a metric called Profile Viewers from this post. This number tells you how many people visited your profile as a result of seeing that post, giving you a sense of its impact on awareness. Right below that, you'll typically see followers gained from this post. This shows how many new followers your content attracted. It's a helpful way to compare which topics or formats are converting casual viewers into followers. Next, check the social engagement section. Here you can see how many people reacted to your post. These reactions, along with comments and reposts displayed on the page, are strong signals of how your content resonated with your audience. A few quick notes to set expectations. LinkedIn is designed to protect user privacy, so you'll generally see counts and aggregated insights rather than a complete list of individual post viewers. If you don't see the View Analytics button, make sure you're looking at content you personally published on your own profile. That's it. By navigating to your profile, opening your activity, and using the View Analytics button on a post or article, you can see profile viewers from that content, followers gained, and the social engagement it received. Use these insights to spot which posts drive profile visits and guide your next pieces of content.